we can start na by talking to the executives from Megabit to tell us more about Megabit. Well, siguro, can we have a word with Miss Shelly, who's the head of marketing, PR, branding, and events. Miss Shelly Flores, Mr. Peter Munsayak, head of R&D. Of course, Mark Kalikdan, my favorite, marketing manager for strategic partnerships. Shelly will talk about yung pinagmamalaki natin. Nakalagay din naman sa press release, pero mas maganda kung quote niya. So, Miss Shelly.
So, ang pinagmamalaki namin is ang Fruit Color Day. This is our flagship game. We're all going to launch it starting with this media event. So after this, we'd like to invite you to tour our live gaming studio, and then after the live gaming studio, you can proceed to the Fruit Color Game. Meron kaming separate room doon for the Fruit Color Game. And you can watch, and then you can also play. We'll hand out some phones for you, so you can play our Fruit Color Game. To tell you more about the Fruit Color Game, its technology and everything, is Mr. Peter Munsayak, our head of R&D.
If you're familiar with our traditional color game, yung nilalaro natin sa perya, it's 3 dice, six-sided dice, evenly, and then there's a mechanical mechanism na hilahin mo, and then the dice will drop. I mean, we're all familiar with it. Dito sa Megabit, instead of using colors, we're using fruits, because our brand is Paradise, and all tropical fruits, and all our future games are going to follow the same thing. Anyway, but the difference between this game and the traditional game is the jackpot element. So when three fruits of the same kind appears on the board, a fourth die is introduced, and this is going to determine the jackpot. It's really hard to explain now, but we're going to go on tour. I'm going to show it to you inside.
What can we expect, Kali? What can we expect from Megabit in the coming months and years?
Meron kami mga programa na hindi lang basta sa laro, hindi lang basta sa entertainment, kundi kokonekta yung Megabit Paradise sa mga bawat Pilipino. Yung aming partnership is hindi lang para sa malalaking tao, sa malalaking company, kundi para sa bawat Pilipino na may pangarap. So as I have a dream, I will be a consultant to every Filipino who will have a dream. So mga abangan kay Megabit is meron kami mga partnership program na magbibigay ng magandang kinabukasan at pagkakaroon ng tamang direksyon para makuha nila yung pangarap nila. Because Megabit cares, Megabit will do it, not just Nike just do it. Megabit will do it for you.
To reiterate, Megabit is compliant sa lahat ng requirements ng PAGCOR. Yun ang pinapasabi ng management at sinasabi ko. At chinek din namin to partner with them. We had to make sure that we have all the documents and accreditation so that we can partner us from the office as an agency to them. We had to check all the documents para at least we know that we have safeguards at hindi tayo mako-question. Tama, sir?
What's the framework that you have? Framework?
Yes. Actually, PAGCOR has publicly published their regulatory framework. Pwede kayo pumunta sa website ng PAGCOR if you want to check more.
How thick is that?
Probably this thing.
How many pages?
I can't say the exact.
Babalikan ka namin dun sa number, basta makapal.
Ng rules lahat ng for compliance, and they will not grant you a license kung hindi ka nag-follow kahit isang rule.
Kausapin muna yung mga masasabi ng mga willing victim, willing makapagsabi ng experience nila pagpasok sa loob tsaka sa paglaro ng Megabit para makapagbigay na ng instant feedback to our heads dito sa Megabit. Okay? Mr. Panaligan, dahil ikaw with the wisdom of the management, sabi nila, let's just do it here so it will be experiential. Let's do a small group so it will be experiential kasi yun naman yung binibenta natin sa Megabet. That's what will set Megabet apart. So, galing naman. Going here, and support at nakita nila how happy you guys are sa paglalaro. Sabi nila, lahat na naglaro will get a prize na nasa envelope.
Wow.
Regardless of kung magkano nandito. Kasi nakakapagod pa, hahaba pa itong
Ay, wow!
So,
Exciting!
so, exciting naman, kakatuwa nyo. Nung nalaman ko, naingit ako, pero sige, ganun lang. But we're happy. Sasabihin mo ba kung magkano?
Yes.
Michelle? Hindi na nakakahiya. Kung ako yan sasabihin ko, pero humble sila. So mamaya pag nakita nyo,
Sige na.
matutuwa na lang kayo. Pwede
Kama na,